Welcome to Priya Creations. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know which you like me to draw next.
Here I am using black color sketch pen to draw this design. Here I am drawing feather border design. Draw the feather like this. This is outline of the feather design. Draw like this. Do you have any doubts regarding border designs or color pens or anything? Comment on comment section. Follow me on Instagram, link given in the description box. Now I am using light green color brush pen. I am shading with light green color brush pen. Do like this. Draw like this, up to downwards. I am using green color. If you want, you can use any other colors. This is brush pen. If you want, you can use sketch pen or anything. Now I am using light green color oil pastel. Fill this middle space with this color. Fill like this. Now I am using yellow color oil pastel. Here I am using tissue paper for rubbing this. If you want, you can use cotton or anything. Now I am using black color pencil. Draw like this. Now I am using scale and black color marker pen for this line. Draw the 3 lines like this. Here I am drawing round shape. Draw like this. Now I am using light blue color brush pen. Fill this space with light blue color brush pen. If you want, you can use any other colors. This is red color sketch pen. Now I am using red color sketch pen. Draw the dots like this. This is light blue color sketch pen. Now I am using pink color sketch pen. Here I am using light blue color pencil. I am shading with light blue color pencil. Do the full frame like this. Same color repeat here. This is yellow color brush pen. Draw like this. Here I am using black color sketch pen to draw this flower. Draw the petals like this. Here I am drawing 5 petals. Draw the round shape like this. Here I am drawing 3 petals. Draw like this. Same flower repeat here. If you want any type of border designs or cover page designs, comment on comment section. Here I am drawing leaf shape. 3 leaves like this. Put the dots like this. This is outline of the flower. Here I am drawing. Put the dots like this. Now I am using black color pencil. I am shading with black color pencil. Down to upwards, up to downwards like this. Same repeat here. Do you have any doubts regarding border designs or colors or anything? Comment on comment section. This is pencil sketch pen. Now I am using black color pencil. I am shading with black color pencil. Same repeat here. Do like this. This is pink color sketch pen. I'm using pink color sketch pen. If you want, you can use any other colors, sketch pen or brush pen, crayon, color pencil or anything, whatever you want. Now I'm using green color brush pen. Draw the outline like this. This is green color oil pastel, deep green color. This is feel like this. This is leaf green color. Now I'm using hair bar to rubbing this. Do like this. If you want, you can use tissue paper or cotton. Draw like this. Then drawing butterfly. I'm using black color sketch pen for this design. Draw the outline like this. Draw this shape. Now I'm using light blue color pencil. Fill like this. This is blue color brush pen. Draw the outline like this. Now I'm using pink color sketch pen. Fill this space with pink color sketch pen. If you want, you can use brush pen or color pencil or anything. This is black color brush pen. Fill this butterfly with black color sketch brush pen. Fill like this. This is black color brush pen. Draw the lines like this. This is black color marker pen. Draw the line like this with black color marker pen and scale. Draw like this. Draw the round shape like this. Now I am using light blue color crayon. I am shading with light blue color crayon.
Thank you so much for watching.
Do
Support
like
me
this.
as liking, sharing, commenting and subscribing.
Please like the video, share and subscribe to my channel.